Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Discord. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Discord and we click here. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.